Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential product for bike enthusiasts and anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's security. We found the SF32 Alarm, a wireless vibration bike horn and anti-theft system, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the SF32 Alarm? It's a comprehensive alarm system designed for bicycles, motorcycles, electric bikes, electric scooters, and even cars. This product provides peace of mind by offering robust protection against theft and unwanted tampering. With its innovative motion sensor and adjustable settings, it allows users to customize their security experience based on personal needs. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of the SF32 Alarm. First up, this system comes with 2 remote controls. This is particularly useful because one remote can serve as a backup, ensuring you always have access to your alarm system even if you misplace one of the remotes. Another remarkable feature of this alarm system is its 7 levels of adjustable sensitivity. Whether you want it to respond to a gentle touch or a more forceful push, you have the flexibility to set it according to your environment. This customization helps reduce the risk of false alarms, allowing you to enjoy your bike or scooter without constant interruptions. The SF32 Alarm also boasts 3 levels of adjustable volume. When the alarm is triggered, it emits an ultra-high-pitched sound of up to 110 decibels for a duration of 30 seconds. This is more than enough to deter potential thieves. You can easily adjust the volume to suit your preference, ensuring it's not too loud for your surroundings while still being effective. Now, who is this product suitable for? The SF32 Alarm is perfect for anyone who values their bike or scooter and wants to enhance its security. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or simply someone who wants to protect their valuable electric bike or scooter, this system is designed with you in mind. It's also suitable for homeowners looking to secure doors and windows, as the vibration trigger can be installed on various surfaces to alert you to any unauthorized access. Let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine you park your bike or scooter in a busy area where theft is a concern. With the SF32 Alarm installed, you can rest easy knowing that any tampering will trigger a loud alarm, drawing attention and hopefully deterring any would-be thieves. Additionally, if you're using this alarm on your doors or windows, it provides an extra layer of security for your home, alerting you immediately if someone tries to gain access. Installation is a breeze with the SF32 Alarm. It offers 3 methods of installation, using a bracket, which comes with both long and short hex cap screws suitable for bars between 1.14 and 1.57 inches in diameter, zip ties, or double-sided tape. This versatility means it can be easily adapted to fit various models of bikes, motorcycles, scooters, or even as an added security measure for your car. In summary, the SF32 Alarm is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's security. Its features, including dual remotes, adjustable sensitivity, and customizable volume levels, make it a comprehensive solution for theft prevention. Whether you are an avid cyclist or simply want an added layer of safety for your property, this product has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.